So in this apartments.com tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to draw an area boundary here on the apartments.com website. So once you have apartments.com opened up, what I want you to do is select your location. I will just use Toronto for this demonstration. Now by default, it actually does highlight the area right here. So if you want to open the area, you specifically can. But if you want to draw a certain area, so let's say you want Toronto, but you only want a certain part of Toronto, press where it says in the top left, draw a search area right here. So now what you can actually do is select an area. So if you just want, for example, this area of Toronto right here, you can go ahead and do that. Now it's going to kind of refine your search and show you guys listings in a very specific area. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to draw an area boundary on apartments.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.